If you've been thinking about moving to Maui, investing in Maui real estate for sale, or you're just trying to keep your pulse on what's going on here on the island, this video is for you. I'm diving into a full Maui real estate market update for 2025 with the most up-to-date numbers, trends, and insight for the first half of 2025. Whether you're looking at Maui homes for sale, curious about luxury real estate, or just watching the condo market, this video breaks it all down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's going on with single-family homes, condominiums, the luxury market, and how the short-term rental ban is shaking things up across the island. Let's jump in. As always, my name is Chaston Marcos, your go-to real estate agent here on Maui. I'm here to be your guide, your resource, and your local connection to everything this island has to offer. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in Maui real estate, you're definitely in the right place. My mission is to give you the clearest, most honest, and most practical information about living here. Let's kick it off with Maui homes for sale, specifically single-family homes across the island. As of June and July 2025, the median price for single-family homes on Maui is sitting at just $1.315 million. That's a 5.7% drop year over year. It's definitely signs of a shift. And for the first time in a while, we're seeing that upper curve soften just a bit. Sales activity is also slightly down by about 1.5% year over year. It's not dramatic, but definitely part of a broader cooling trend. And homes are taking a lot longer to sell. Days on market are increasing, which means sellers need to be more realistic and buyers have a little more breathing room. Now, the important context: the single-family home market is holding up better than condos. Earlier this year, we were seeing a steady 5% appreciation year over year, and even now, this segment is far more stable than the vacation rental condo market. If you're searching for long-term value, especially in the best neighborhoods in Maui, this segment remains strong. Now let's talk condos, because this is where things are getting really interesting and honestly a little messy. As of June, the median price for Maui condos for sale dropped to $700,000, and that's including the entire spectrum of condos. That's a 28.6% decline year over year, a massive shift for this market. Condo sales volume is down 5.1%, and the days on markets are extremely up, meaning units are sitting longer. Why the big drop? Let's break it down with a few points. My first point I want to bring up is the short-term rental ban uncertainty. The biggest story in Maui right now is the proposal for a short-term rental ban, and it's got everyone holding their breath. Buyers don't want to get stuck in a policy shift, and sellers don't want to price too low and then miss out if the ban doesn't go through. As of now, the Maui County Council is expected to vote by the end of July. If they pass this ban, short-term rentals in apartment zone condos all over Maui, especially in the Kihei Real Estate, Wailea, Kaanapali, Kapalua, and even Ma'alaia, could be phased out. But there's resistance. Many believe it'll face legal challenges, just like Oahu's ban in 2022, which was blocked by the federal court. Proposed amendments to the bill include pushing the phase-out date to 2030, exempting timeshare units like those at Maui Hill and Kihei, to name one of them, and requiring the Department of Finance to give owners formal notice. Some even propose upzoning apartment zone condos in resort areas like Wailea Real Estate and Kapalua Real Estate to hotel zoning, allowing short-term rentals to continue legally. But this uncertainty of the future is driving prices down, and for buyers, it could be a window of opportunity. My second point is rising ownership costs. We're also seeing a huge surge in HOA fees. The reason? Skyrocketing insurance premiums over the last year. These higher fees, paired with elevated interest rates, are making ownership more expensive than ever, especially for investors looking for a positive cash flow. Remember, many of these condos appreciated rapidly during the 2020 and 2022 COVID boom. Now, those gains are reversing as buyers calculate their ROI under current conditions. The third point I want to bring up is surging inventory. Inventory is up, way up, especially in those apartment-zoned short-term rental condos that I just brought up. And with many more units hitting the market, prices are getting slashed. Last month, about 75% of those closed condo sales were well below asking price. But here's the problem. Many sellers still haven't adjusted. They're holding out hope. Meanwhile, buyers are circling, waiting for the short-term rental vote and pouncing on the right opportunities. So what does this all mean for the overall Maui real estate market in 2025? Here's the big picture. We are in a buyer's market. Prices are softening, especially for condos, all while inventory is climbing for both condos and single-family homes. Many sellers are waiting. Many buyers are on the sidelines, watching and waiting for short-term rental news. Now, according to the Realtors Association of Maui and real estate advisors, we're in a clear market adjustment phase. Higher rates, inflation, and economic uncertainty are all playing a role. This first half of 2025 real estate market update is one of the most pivotal we've seen in years. Summer, which is usually a hot season, has been slower, and we're all feeling it. Why? Because the county still hasn't decided on the short-term rental issue. That's frozen both supply and demand. But let me be real with you. The moment we do get clarity on this vote, we'll see a shift in momentum one way or another. Now let's hear the story flip. The ultra luxury market is still booming. Buyers in the $5 million plus range are moving fast and paying cash. These clients aren't worried about rates, short-term rental bans, or financing rules. They're moving money from one property to another, and they're targeting Maui oceanfront homes for sale, trophy estates, and exclusive communities. Some recent sales I want to bring up, and look these places up if you want to. Wailea Point 101, one of the biggest closings of the year. 3200 at South Kihei Road on Kalvakapu Beach, sold at auction for $25 million. Building 6 at Sugar Cove in Paia closed for $11.5 million. And 5450 Makena Road closed at $17.2 million. And here's a fun stat. Wailea Point alone has had 5 sales already this year, compared to 3 in 2024 and 2 in 2023. So whether you're buying your dream home or expanding your portfolio in ultra luxury real estate in Maui, it's strong and highly competitive. So let's wrap this video up. If you're a buyer, especially in the condo market, now is your window. If you're a seller, pricing matters more than ever. And if you're investing, be smart, strategic, and stay informed. And if you're dreaming of moving to Maui, make sure you're following the data and watching the neighborhoods that align with your goals. Whether you're looking for Wailea real estate, Kihei real estate, Maui investment property, or simply exploring the best neighborhoods in Maui, I'm here to guide you through it. My name is Chaston Marcos, your go-to real estate agent here on Maui. I'm all about honesty, clarity, and giving you the insight you actually need, not hype. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And if you're ready to make a move or just want to talk through your options, my contact information is in the description below. So mahalo for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.